Hi! Good morning! A day in my life as a host. Prepare na tayo, guys. Go! Wait. Malag mo. Ito mo ah. Madaling naman. Lamang kayab-kayab natin. Siyempre, bago mag-start, ayan, check muna natin kung maganda ba yung gagawin kong aura mamaya. Maggaganda-gandahan muna a kiss. Dapat napintasak kita pay ano mayat digigargaraw nga aramid bago kag simula nga host kas jay. Jay mawana yun eh. Di maamuno ni mawana or ni mawi ti rumwar. Pero kita umet. Di ba? Yan yung outfit na super effort. Wala kang ano dyan, DIY lang yan, mga cover lang yan ng cover ng mga table. Bakit? At least diba, naging Moana the third, ganon. Diba, dapat ganyan, maganda ka, ganda-gandahan, dapat magaling ka sa lahat ng bagay, parang akis, maganda. True, go.
Parang wala kang naririnig, Madlong people, are you ready? Your host for today, your one and only beloved host ng Cordon, Isabella Laika Teveray.
To the water, not how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every time I make, and I don't think back. Because I don't know, I cannot turn it around. You are just trying to see. Everything is by design. I know everybody on the side, time on the side, so maybe I can walk mine. I can make us stronger, it's fine, I'm not the floor, it's like I'm all with me.
Wala kang papalakpak talaga. Ang hindi papalakpak, hindi pera. Ladies and gentlemen, your one and only beloved host number 1, Isabella Laika the Great. Para sa akin naman dyan. And of course, thank you for everyone for this memorable occasion, especially to those who took leave of absence from work and to those who traveled the man house just to be with us. In behalf of family Kuzar and their parents, we would like to express their heartfelt gratitude for your presence today. And of course, and it's indeed a pleasure to have you all at this moment. And kaya request po, pwede po ba tayo mag-stay hanggang matapos po ang ating programa. Mag-i-stay po ba tayo? Ang unang uuwi, awan mayawid na nga igado, ha? Sinamit kadakwa. Well, okay. A pleasant morning to everyone. Welcome to Marcelin's second birthday and baptism here at Aleria Event Reception.
Get ready for it.
And we are done with the silent part of the celebration. And we thank those people who were with us earlier at Asasi Church, Rizal, Santiago City for christening ceremony. And to those who just joining, I welcome you all here at Aleria Events Place for Marcelina's second birthday and christening long celebration. So sit down, relax, and enjoy the rest of the day.
Get ready for it.
Before anything else, I would like to acknowledge the key person who took great part of this special event. For without their support, this event will not be possible. Palakpakan naman po natin ang parents po ni Marceline, Mr. Steven Cazar and Mrs. Joyce Ann Cazar. And at this point, I assume that everyone has settled down and we are all ready to welcome the celebrants. May I request everyone to stand up, please? Can I request everyone to stand up, please? Ladies and gentlemen, the very reason why we all gathered here today, for without further ado, it is a distinct pleasure to introduce to you the celebrant Marceline Hope, together with her parents, Mr. Steven and Mrs. Joyce Ann, the family Guzar. Formally start our program, okay, can I request the father of our celebrant, Mr. Steven Cosar, to give us a welcome message, please.
Hello, and thank you all for being here with us today. We hope it's a great day. Thank you all for joining us.
Thank you so much, Sir Steven Cosar. Palakpakan naman po natin. Ayan. Okay, and of course, to give us an inspirational messages, can I request Engineer Fernando Biba? Please. A round of applause, please, to Engineer Fernando Biba.
Good morning, everyone. Nakamuha na nga part ko dito. Inspirational message ko na ta. What can I say? Kahit ito'y Pilipinas pinag-celebrate ang second birthday na kaya gusto christening na.
Good morning to everyone. We are
Marceline. Ano tawagin mo, madam? Ayun, si Marceline. Marceline, halika rito. Ayan, picture naman kayo together with the friends, relatives, ninang, ayan. Together with your mom, ayan. Sige na po, picture po kayo. Ayan. Siyang totoong Moana. Ako si Maui talaga eh. Ay, sir, how about you? Come on. Ayan, okay. Oh, picture po tayo. Group picture, smile. Okay, smile po tayo. Ano pong pangalan po nila?
Bianca.
Si Bianca. Ma'am, kaano-ano niyo po yung family ko, sir?
Apo ko yung baby niya.
Ay, apo niya yung baby niya, gan. Palakpakan naman po natin si... Hindi pwedeng sabihin lola kasi dapat, moms. 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 Bilang moms ka po ni baby Marceline, magkano ang kaya mong ibigay sa kanya?
Ang tanungin natin, magkano ang kaya niyang ibigay sa lola niya?
Ngayon po kasi hindi pa po kaya magbigay ang mga bata. So sa mga lola po tayo ngayon. Dahil marami po kayong alahas, pwede na po kayong mamili. Ganon. Magkano lang po? Kahit magkano kung ano po yung ibibigay ng galing sa puso.
Isang kabang bigas na lang.
Isang kabang bigas. Sa tingin niyo po ba mabubuhat ni baby yon? Hindi, di ba? Ang gusto kasi ni baby girl, yung mahahawakan niya na ngayon.
Okay, sige, pamaypay. Kaya na niyang hawakan yun.
Iba talaga ang momshi. Pamaypay. Yeah. Kasi nga mainit, di ba mainit? Mami, sasagot ka ng kusa o ano na lang? Ako na lang kukuha.
Oh, sige. May 100 yata ako sa bag.
Palakpakan naman po natin si momshi, may 100. Kasamahan ko po kayo. Ayan. Asan po yung 100? Asan si Marceline? Si Marceline. Ay, meron din daw ibibigay si Lola kay Marceline. Mami, magkano naman yan? Meron po ba? Oh my God, meron din. Medyo makapal-kapal din. Mami, ibigay mo na kay Marceline yan. I-push mo na yan mo. Ay, Diyos ko, ang dami. Kung nagbigay sila si Mami in times 10. In times 10 na, paldong-paldo. Oh. Alright, okay. Sige, kung meron kayong mga bagay na to. Happy birthday to you. Once more, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ilang bagsak? And more claps pa po sa ating Marceline. Ayan, Blino na. Ayan, thank you so much. And great. Congratulations and welcome to the Christian world, Marceline, and happy birthday to you. And to Family Kusar, thank you so much for choosing Laika the Great. Thank you so much as your host for today. Again, to all suppliers for the catering and styling services by ERV, Yahin's Catering Services, by Sounds and Lights, by Alaria Sounds and Lights, Kids at Play, by Kids at Play, Magician by Sandy Guapo, and of course, your official photography. Yes, thank you so much. And kung gusto niyo pong mabulabog po ang inyong party, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan ang nag-iisang Laika the Great sa inyong party. Again, thank you so much and thank you.